Why is it so hard to become successful? No, I'm not here to tell you that you need to have XYZ system in place to become successful, or that you need a certain strategy to become a success. None of that fluff. I'm here to give you the real information. There are 3 categories that every successful individual has in order to become success. Number 1 is health. If you are not physically healthy, then you won't be able to create a successful business. Simple logic. Get your health in check. Second section is all about mind power. In order to build something successful, you need to have your head in the right space. A strong life can only be built with a strong mind. So arm your mind with the correct traits. Third section is knowledge. If you are healthy physically and mentally, then all you are missing is the right knowledge. There are many ways you can make money. If you want to access the right knowledge, then click the link in my bio.